Adila Biotech are inspired to innovate in better medicinal options sourced right from nature. We are here to channelize and produce revolutionary medical products and solutions that are all set to make medicines affordable, approachable, and effective. A reputed manufacturer, exporter, and supplier of Ayurvedic, herbal, and pharmaceutical solutions, we are renowned for our two exemplary products, Ashtaprash and High Energy. With state-of-art research and production units, we are all set to help boost development in the medicinal fields, connecting traditional healing to modern healthcare facility and technology. It's time to partner the next generation of quality healthcare products. With smart and effective manufacturing infrastructure, we are ready to provide best quality packaging too, channelizing the idea, hand-filling capsule machine, coating pan machine, automatic liquid manufacturing plant. Perfect for large-scale production. Our work is based on the pillars of quality and hygiene, innovation, CSR, cost-effective solution, and ACE raw material.
मैं एक माँ हूँ और ये है मेरा नया किचन। आई नो काफी हाई टेक है, बट मैं थोड़ी टेक savvy भी तो हूँ ना। यहाँ मैं बनाती हूँ हर तरह की मील्स, जिसमें है नाश्ता जैसे पोहा, इडली, खाना जैसे बिरयानी, राजमा चावल और मीठा जैसे केसरी हलवा। हाइजीन का ध्यान रखने के लिए पूरे कुकिंग प्रोसेस को मैं ही कंट्रोल करती हूँ और मेरी परमिशन के बिना यहाँ कोई नहीं आ सकता। ये मील्स मैं इन बोल्स में पैक करके तुम्हारे पास भेज रही हूँ। इन्हें पेट भर के खाना और अपने दोस्तों को भी खिलाना। और इसे बनाने की चिंता मत करना, तुम्हें इसमें सिर्फ गर्म पानी मिलाना है और 8 मिनट में हेल्दी और गर्मा गर्म खाना है तैयार। Meal of the moment. With love from Mom.
People often ask me, how do we create a masterpiece? To them I say, it starts with an idea. And instruments to give it a shape. A team effort of artists working with passion. Meticulously crafting with precision and perfecting it with technology. A final shade for an elegant finish. Immerse yourself in this world of art and technology, where they come together to create a masterpiece. The entire process of conception to completion is under one roof to enable rapid prototyping and faster quality checks. You can customize your furniture as per your requirements, space, colors, and taste, as well as personalize it so that your furniture reflects your personality. We at Hermosa stand for quality, durable and affordable luxury, offering a price that their wallet can spare. Hermosa, creating luxury for everyone. two things are changing. New ideas and revolutionary technologies are shaping our future. And one such technology is autoclaved aerated concrete by Orilight. In the manufacturing process, the raw materials are batched carefully. They are set into molds and reinforced with steel bars. These molds are then sent to pre-curing rooms where the AAC takes its special structure. They are then demolded and cut very precisely into required sizes by piano wires. They turn into a solid AAC structure. It's a cost-effective construction technology, as there are savings in mortar, structure steel and concrete. There is less wastage, less man-hours are required. A drastic increase in floor space and savings in electricity. There are savings in time and fresh water as no curing is required. They are produced in line with the Bureau of Indian Standards, accredited by Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment, and have been awarded with the Indian Green Building Council membership. Our ongoing projects include modern school of around 1 lakh square feet area was completed in merely 4 months using our AAC panels and jalis. Residence of around 150,000 square feet area, which is a turnkey project with steel beam and column structure. This superstructure will be completed and ready to use in 6 months, where each house was completed in merely 35 days. We provide shipping of our building systems across all states in India and provide extra tools for quicker construction with our systems upon request from our clients. We also manufacture custom printed tiles and jalis for giving your home an elegant and stylish look. Orilight, New Age Building Solutions by Oriental Power Cables Limited.